Shift of demand out of non-price variables. A variation in the income, the case of inferior goods. Whenever you have a variation in the income, let's use the same numbers for the example we just had. Okay. Sorry about that. The example we just had. Let's say that your monthly income is around 10,000 pesos. What happens is that when your income increases, your demand of certain goods will decrease. This is the case of inferior goods. Imagine this. Let's say that our product is bus tickets. And this is your demand for bus tickets when you earned 10,000 pesos. If your income doubles, if your income increases to 20,000 pesos, you begin flying on airplanes, so you begin buying airplane tickets instead of bus tickets. So what happens? When your income increased, your demand of bus tickets decreased, because they are, in this case, considered an inferior good. On the other hand, if your income were to be reduced from 20,000 to 8,000, what will happen is that instead of buying airplane tickets, you will go back to buy bus tickets, and if at any point you had any kind of demand for airplane tickets, you will substitute that for bus tickets. So what will happen is your demand for bus tickets will increase. So for a decrease in the income, there is an increase in the demand. Again, only in the case of what we consider inferior goods, because of the availability of higher or more luxurious goods. Let's now substitute bus tickets for, remember that when we talked about normal goods, we put as an example Starbucks coffee. Let's talk about normal coffee or machine coffee or instant coffee. So what we will have over here is instant coffee. Okay. When your income went up, you will begin consuming Starbucks coffee. Therefore, your consumption, your demand of instant coffee will drop. On the other hand, if your income goes down again, your consumption, your demand of instant coffee, an inferior good, will increase. The consideration on something being a normal good, which is the majority of them, and there being inferior goods can always be subjective, but it depends upon you on having this point of comparison, on you establishing which would be the normal good and which would be, compared to this normal good, the inferior good. For you to be able to follow the rule in the appropriate way.